In today's video, we're going to troubleshoot the issue of call recording not working on iOS 18. If you've been struggling with this feature, don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, it's important to remember that iOS doesn't support built-in call recording. If you're using third-party apps, various factors can cause issues. Let's explore some common reasons why call recording might not be working. Make sure that the call recording app has the necessary permissions. Go to settings, scroll down to the app you're using and ensure that permissions for the microphone and phone are enabled. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of the call recording app installed. Go to the App Store and check if there is an update available. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve functionality. Some call recording apps require a stable internet connection to function properly. Make sure you're connecting to Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal while trying to record calls. Some apps may have limitations based on your location or carrier. Make sure that call recording is allowed in your region and that your carrier supports it. You can check with the carrier's customer support for more details. If you've tried all these steps and call recording still isn't working, it might be time to contact the app's customer support. And that's it, you've learned some common reasons why call recording may not be working on iOS 18 and how to troubleshoot them.